Hello, it's Lonnie with Crafty Traveler, and today's video is going to be how to make the bowl cozies that I make and sell. Hi there, you have found the Crafty Traveler channel. My name is Lonnie and I'm a 71-year-old female who loves to camp and travel. I travel with my little Schnauzer Snickers, who can be a bit noisy at times. We love to go to the desert in the winter, the mountains in the summer, the seashore whenever we can. Sometimes I travel alone, and other times I love to travel with a group. I belong to a wonderful group of ladies that love to camp and have a good time. We do activities like painting. Sometimes I do sewing tutorials. I love to visit quilt shops, go to quilt retreats, and quilt shows. Come along and follow us. Comment, share, and subscribe to my channel and see where we go next. Thanks for watching. I'm sure you can find lots of different videos on how to make bowl cozies, and they're mostly made with 10 to 10.5 inch squares. And then you have to measure and cut for the little darts that create the roundness at the bottom of the bowl. And that's not always accurate. So I like to use this product. It comes in 3 different sizes, the 10-inch and a bigger bowl and a platter. So here's what those things look like, and what I've done since I've used them, I have cut the pattern out of a piece of firm stabilizer so I can use it in the future. With the platter, there's only one product in there, and it is made from a material that is a heat-resistant material like what's in pot holders, so you cannot put it in the microwave. The other 2 sizes are batting, cotton batting, and you can use them in the microwave. Now if I remake that platter, I'll just use maybe 4 thicknesses of batting, although that's a pretty good size dish and unlikely going to be in somebody's microwave. So today I've got the smaller one, and you can see it's already got the darts cut out of it like this all the way around, and so it suggests to use a 10.5 inch piece of fabric. I've rough cut a piece of fabric. In fact, you need 2 pieces of fabric and 2 pieces of the batting product. So what I have to do now is I have to cut the fabric in this shape. So the first thing I do is I pin the batting down to the wrong side of the fabric. There's the right side, and I pin it down, and then it'll be more easily to handle and I can cut around it. So I'm cutting around the batting. The batting is pre-cut. It comes in the package, so you don't have to pre-cut that at all. You just cut the fabric to match the batting. Using this product is so much easier than trying to cut everything and measure for the darts. And even though it is a bit pricey, I usually sell them for $10, and then I have pot holders to match sometimes that I add on for $5. Okay, so there is my pre-cut batting with my fabric all cut together. Now I have to do the other side. You have to have 2 fabrics and 2 pieces of batting with each bowl cozy. Alright, I have both pieces cut, and I'm ready to sew them. Now, the next step is to place the darts, the V's, pretty sides or right sides together. And then they recommend a 1/4 inch seam, so right across there. And there's 4 darts on each bowl cozy piece, total of 8 darts. I'm going to show you how to do that now. Because these have black in them, I'm using black thread and a black bobbin in my sewing machine. I've got the right sides together for the dart. Now I like to start from the outside and sew in so that I get that point stitched in, because if you go the other way you may not. That's what it looks like on the right side. You can see the seam and it's all enclosed. I'll finish this up and get back to you. There's the first part, first half. The darts are done and it creates this nice little bowl effect at the bottom. Alright, now I have to do the other side. I'll be back. Both of these have the darts sewn together. Now I'm going to put them right sides together, match up the seams, open the seams up so there's a little less bulk in the seam. And then I'm going to attach it with a little wonder clip right there. And I'm going to go around and do all 4 seams and maybe also some in between. I'll show you when I do that. Alright, I've used the wonder clips and clipped each seam, and then this one I clipped not quite at the tip, but enough room here that I am not going to sew there. I have to keep that open so that I can turn it inside out or right sides out when I'm finished sewing all around here. So I'm going to sew that now. So this is where the clip was at the top of the one not on the seam. So I'm going to start sewing there and sew all the way around, removing the clips as I go. When I get to a seam, I kind of want to open it, which will help with having less bulk if it's all folded onto one side. Alright, I've come to the last seam. I'm going to backstitch a little bit. Okay, trim my threads. Now I've left this open so I can turn it inside or right side out. Left this open so I can turn it right side out. So let me do that. It's not a very big opening, but should be able to get it all tucked in there. And push it out. Push the seam out with my fingers. Yeah. Shape it a little bit. So that's It's a two-sided piece. You could use either side. I want to make sure that it's all pushed out and the seams are as flat as they can be. And then I'm going to top stitch around the edge to hold it in place. So that's what it looks like now. Okay, now I'm going to turn the opening, turn the edges in, and top stitch that and all around the edge of the bowl cozy. Alright, so I flatten that out. Now I'm top stitching around the edge to close that opening, and then to add a little decoration around it and kind of hold it together. Alrighty, there's the bowl cozy. This is good for a coffee cup size or a small bowl, soup bowl maybe. And you can put these in the microwave for about 3 minutes. It's all cotton, cotton thread, cotton batting, cotton fabric, so it's not going to spark in the microwave. I wouldn't recommend putting it in for longer than 3 minutes. Then you could turn it off if your food wasn't warm enough or your water wasn't warm enough. Let it rest just for 10-20 seconds, and then you could put it back in. I have never heard of anybody catching fire unless they put it in for a longer period of time. So just to warm up some coffee or soup or water, that's all you need, 3 minutes. And there's the bowl cozy. Now, I'm not sponsored by the product, and I'm not sponsored by my friend Chris, who has the Country Quilts and Fabric Shop in Willits, California, where I bought the product. But I just wanted to show you how easy it is to use it and make your own bowl cozies. You do need a sewing machine. So if you have a sewing machine, you can do this. It's not hard. And I'm going to leave Chris's information down below. Here it is. And she has an online store as well as her Sticks and Bricks store. So if you're coming through Willits, look for her store. And if you don't live near Willits or don't come through Willits, go to her website and you can order this product from her and she will send it to you. Well, I hope you liked the video on how to make the bowl cozy with this product. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up. Comment, share, subscribe. I need subscribers, and I appreciate all my viewers. And if you've watched my video this long, please give me that thumbs up. It really helps out. I'll have more sewing videos in the future, but I'm getting ready to go on a pretty long camping trip. So most of my videos from now on will be part from that trip. Going to Quartzsite, Anza Borrego, and a few other places in between. So stay tuned for all those videos coming up in the next few weeks. Stay crafty, smart, creative, and safe. Bye now.